Right, good day, students. Today I want to talk about the PC building simulator. At this moment, from the 7th, I think it's from the 7th till the 14th, so that's a week. The PC simulator, building simulator, is free to download from Epic Games. So I'm just quickly gonna play you a video of it just so you can have an idea of it, and then we'll go around and talk about specs and requirements. But this is another good thing, that it's free, because it will help you also with whatever you're trying to learn about PC parts, and also to build your own PC enterprise using the simulator. You could then prepare yourself for new tools that's out there, and when you have clients that you have to build pieces, you can simulate it on the PC before working on the client's PC. So those are kind of things you can look at. But yeah, let me not talk too much, so let me just show you the PC simulator in action. Right, so now you can see that is the PC simulator. So let's just show you another video. Well, it's just pictures, and this is on the website of Epic Games that I'm on. Right, so what you have to do is you have to go to epics.com, epicgames.com, go to PC simulator, and then you will see, if you can see here on below, you would see that it says here 100% free, meaning that you would have paid 130 Rand. The sale ends the 14th of this month at 5 p.m. So what you can see here is I'm already downloading it, and it's currently in my library. So what you have to do is you have to create a Epic Games account, and with that you get an invoice when you buy it, and you pay 0 cents, right? So that's how it works. So mine is still downloading, and as soon as that's done I can show you what it looks like. So just to refresh your memory, so what you do is, I'm just going to open up a new tab. So what you do is you go to epicgames.com, right? And when you get to epicgames.com, it's loading, you would see all these, but then you obviously search for PC, or you can just type PC, and that will bring up a list of search items that's available. And we'll just wait for that. Due to me downloading a game, it can affect my bandwidth, and that's probably why the search is taking so long. So let me just quickly pause the downloading, and then just see how fast the internet responds, and then you learn more about bandwidth or usage as well. You can see here that these are all the games, free games, and you can see there's the PC builder, which is free till the 14th October. When you click on that, you would then see the following. You will see that you can click on get. So when you click on get, that will now load it. Then it will ask you to log in. Now here's several accounts you can use to log in. Any of these accounts works: Steam, Google, Xbox, even Epic Games, whatever account you have, You can sign up also if you don't have an account, if you don't want to use one of these third party. And with that, when you're done, you sign, you get the receipt, and you will get something like this where it will show thank you for your purchase invoice, and then you get your bill, and you can see the 0 rand cents in ZAR or in South African rands, and that's everything that you get, and that is your receipt that you get at first. And then this would then be, in my case, in your library. And then when you have your Epic Games open, you would then see you will just have to go to the library and then click install, as in this case here, and that will now install the PC simulator for you. I'm gonna pause my video as this is still installing, and I'll come back to when it's done. Thank you. Right, so now my game has been downloaded. So let's launch this and see what this comes with. Right. Look at it's running. It's starting up. So let's see what this game comes with and how basic it is. It might be that you need to get some add-ons or anything like that, so we'll just see. Right, so there's our game. Starting for the first time. There's career mode, there's new game, there's esports DLC, and that is means these expansion kits. And this is where you can get any of these kits, and these is probably to help you. Other expansion kits, where I can look at that. Now look at some settings and look at the resolution. So language is English, quality is on medium at this moment, resolution is that, got VSync enabled, all those other things. These are just the key bindings, how you must move in the game, and that's it most probably. Right, so it looks like we've got version 1.12.3, and there's an option to how to build the PC, and this is mainly where you go into PC mode and you do this offline. So in most cases, this is supposed to first need to remove side panels and all those other things. So this is how the game works. So let's just go back to the main menu, and this is the free build option where you choose any of these rooms, and you can see some of these rooms are locked, right? And the reason behind that is probably you have to just go back and see. And so that one is open. Let's see this one. Accept. Is it locked yet? And there's more rooms also. These are those expansions that we talked about. When you click on that and you say accept, it wants you to log it. You need a DLC pack to unlock it. And when you say okay, that should probably take you back to the website. Or say no, accept. That's, yeah, you can't do anything. Go back, and I go back to, let's try, this is the only one. Let's look at the razor one, accept. And you also need that. So this is the only downfall with the simulator that I see, that you still need to purchase other expansion packs. You want to play around with other rooms, right? Now that's the only thing I see, but the basic simulator is there for you to build and do what you need to do. And as you continue and you feel like you want to go into free build mode, this is what you would see, right? So you would then be able to move and look at calendar days. So there's your PC. At the moment the PC is off, so let's go back. If you look at the calendar, you will see today is Monday, and so onwards, and that's just to swap variables. There's nothing in that side. Go back here, and this is basically where you have to do repairs. So in this case here, you would see that I need to repair this missing parts that's missing, so that will obviously allow you to remove the case, and with that you start building and you're playing around with the simulator. So yeah, and I hope you have fun, because this is free, 130 rand for free. Do this if you have the PC capable to do all the processing and that. And then if you feel like you want to get hold of the expansion packs, I'm sure on the website they have the expansion packs, and you go to add-ons, and then under add-ons you would find these other packs, which is around about those prices there, and those are just the packs that you get after that. that you can install, and that gets added to your game. Right, so these are the packs if you want to go further, but I think for now the first thing is to get the base, play around with it and see how you feel about it, and then you can go ahead and get the other packs. Right, so that is it from me. I hope you guys found this interesting, and I hope you get this PC Builder simulator, because this base game gives you the ability to build and do certain things, and even to learn about PC parts. We don't necessarily have to go to a store, to get stuff, right? So yeah, I hope you guys find it interesting, and oh, and it only works on Windows, right? So that's the only thing that you need to consider. It's only made for Windows. All right, thank you everyone.